Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble slime. First, gather your materials. You'll need 1/2 cup of clear school glue, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Also, have 1/4 cup of water ready. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a spoon or craft stick for stirring. This simple method ensures a fun and bubbly result. Now let's start mixing. Pour your 1/2 cup of clear glue into the bowl. Next, add the 1/4 cup of water. Stir these two liquids together until they are completely combined and smooth. This creates the base for your slime. After that, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well until it dissolves. It's time to activate your slime. Gradually add 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to your mixture. Stir continuously as you add it. You'll notice the slime starting to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Once it's mostly formed, take it out and knead it with your hands for about 5 to 7 minutes. This makes it less sticky and more stretchy. Your bubble slime is ready for fun. Stretch it slowly to create large bubbles, then poke them for satisfying pops. When you're finished playing, store your slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh for weeks. This prevents it from drying out and maintains its bubbly texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade bubble slime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.